Hello everyone. I was contacted by Rachel She. She is with inlove Arts online store, and she has asked if I would like to do some collaborations and design teamwork with her. And I told her I'd absolutely would. I've actually been a customer of hers before, and she has been a subscriber of mine. So that is just really awesome. The first, I will be giving you a code down below for your 15% off, so check that out. The first die is called Lace Floral Frame Dies. The next is Stitched Ornament Nesting Dies. This is called Lace Ornament Dye. This is Stitched Lace Decor Dies, and it's actually 2 pieces. That one and that one. And then this is the Stitched LayeringTag dies, which are more pendant dies, what we're used to here in the US. So once again, her information and the discount codes will be down below, so check that out. I will be showing you a project using these products here shortly. I'm hoping within the next day or so. Have a great day, everyone. Stay happy and be a blessing. Take care. Bye for now.